Yeah.
Alright. Recording? Alright, coin toss. You guys have to pick head or tails. Heads. Heads? You guys got tails? See what it is? It's heads. Do you guys want receive or defer?
Welcome to Game 4, Week 2 of the Sports Squad series. I'm your host, Motion Blur, or King M, who is sponsoring the whole league itself. And today we start off with the Bolts deferring for the first half. Good return by Devin as they get to the 1st and 10, and an early catch from Dan, making it a 1st and goal. Quarterback looks over and he has a wide open receiver for the first touchdown of the game. And now they'll go to the PAT. First ever PAT of the Sports Squad. Will it be good? It is. Great kick by Devin. And after the Knights score their touchdown, they will kick off to the Bolts.
Come on. Get on. There we go. Alright.
1st and 10 for the Bolts. Quarterback staying in pocket. He throws it over and caught. Great catch, great toe tap, great way to stay in bounds. It is now 1st and goal. And nearly intercepted by Dan, but great play, great read by the defense. It's a deep ball and caught. Touchdown for the Bolts. They answer back within only 3 plays. And the second PAT. And that one's low, but good. 7-7 here in the first quarter.
Alright, we're right there. Ready!
1st and 3 for the Knights. Devin, short play and dropped. Not nearly there. Couldn't get his hand up in time. 2nd one, quarterback loads back and nearly intercepted, but in the end zone for the touchdown by Devin. And it's a 2-point try. And it's just a wide open lane, and they go up by 8. Kickoff for the Bolts, and nothing crazy. 1st and 5. Quarterback drops back. Receiver wide open. Intercepted. There it is. Nearly dropped, but great read and catch by Devin. Now Dan is going, and first play, great catch, great run. He is in for the touchdown again for the Knights. And PAT. No wins. And it's a doink. First ever doink. Sucks, man. 20-7.
Nice!
1st and 10 for the Bolts. Quarterback stays in pocket and finds his receiver, and receiver drops it. Don't know if that was bad ball. Not a good angle from here. 2nd and 10. And could not get to it. Too high. 3rd and 10. Bolts need to convert. It's a deep pass, and it's intercepted. Apparently it is not intercepted, and it touched the ground before, so it is now 10-20 after the field goal. And it's kickoff to the Knights from the Bolts, and he's gone. Touchdown Knights, 26-10. Now they go for another 2-point to gain an 18-point lead. Devin as quarterback, and the same thing as last time, 28-10.
Alright, we're good.
Kickoff from the Knight, and good kick and not so good return, leaving them at 1st and 10. They discuss their play, giving the defense a little break, and also be able to discuss their plan for this.
Hurry up. Hustle.
Let's tell the crowd wants them to hurry, and they do. 1st and 10 for the Bolts, and it's over. What a catch! Not down into the end zone, but okay, he is down. That's my fault. 2nd and inches, and he gets it for a great yardage. And 1st and goal, and wide open touchdown for the Bolts. 16-28. And PAT for the point is good. 17-28. Only up by 11. 3 possessions. 2 to 3. Either way you want to count it. The Knights will kick it off. Or the Bolts. My bad. First and goal for the Knights. Jason as quarterback. Gets ready, throws it over, nearly intercepted. Great play by the defense. 2nd and goal. The handoff, pitch back. He gets blitzed. Jason throws it over, and he's wide open. Touchdown Knights, 36-17. For the 2-point. And Devin seems to be wide open, so it's 38-17. Knights are so far showing us how they can play. Bolts start off with an interception for their drive. 1st and 15, it's a handoff. Dan trying to go somewhere. Not really. It makes it 2nd and 9 for the Knights. Jason drops back, looks for his receiver in the end zone, to the corner, cannot get there in time. And a fan interaction with Devin, show his reaction. There's 1st down right there, 1st and goal for the Knights. Stays, fakes, will he run? Looking for his receiver, has as much time as he wants, of course.
I don't know, am I able to go after him?
Yeah, you can.
And after learning one of the rules, he blitzes, and great blocking, great run. Touchdown Knights, 44-17. And the PAT.
Come on, Devin.
Is good, 45-17.
Yeah.
Now the Knights will kick off to the Bolts. And he had a block, didn't really dedicate to it, but still decent return and a 1st down. So 1st and goal for the Bolts, heading to Knights territory. And nearly open, turnover, intercepted by the Knights. Jason. Now Devin as QB. Joss back, looks for his receiver. Couldn't reach out. 2nd and 15 for the Knights. Amazing first half. Scoring 45 in only the first 8 minutes. And defense got there before him, making it 3rd and 15. Unloads to Devin. Incomplete. 4th and 15. And they punt, but it's a fake. Wonderful play choice. It's a 1st down.
All right, 1st down.
They continue the drive. 1st and goal. Jason unloads. Great catch by Dan. Nearly out of bounds. 2nd and goal. Still looking. Finds him in the corner. Another touchdown for the Knights. Going 51-17. Discussing a play. Defense gets a little break for this 2-point try. Jason right now looking great with his throws, but not that one making it. Still 51-17, no good.
That's you.
And great kick all the way back to
Devin,
the
you
2.
go forward.
Bolts can stop him here, gain control, and score again. Bolts going, and good play to get them some yards, so no safety. 2nd and 12 for the Bolts. And bounced right back into his hands. That is a great play, making it 3rd and 2, only needing 2 yards to get the first. Now, Bolts discuss their play to see if they want to run it, pass it, do a trick play, anything for the first down.
Second defense, come on.
And they don't run it, making it 4th and 2. This is a crucial play here to try and stay alive, and they got the first down. First and goal for the Bolts. Taking as much time as they want. A good turnaround, but QB seems to have not done the ball normally. And for the second time, doesn't throw the ball. That's okay. 3rd and goal. And I don't think wide receiver knows what he's doing. That's a turnover for the Knights. And the Knights, Dan just can't get there, making it 2nd and 8. And Dan gets there, stays in, but he is down, making it 1st and goal. Great catch anyway. Nice toe tap. Jason tries to run it and cannot go anywhere, making it 2nd and goal. Looks, gets Dan. Good yardage, 3rd and goal. Only 13 yards to go for the end zone to make it 57-17. Great catch. They lead by 40. 2-point try, and it's good. 59-17. And the Bolts will continue. 1st and 7. And great catch, making it 1st and goal for the Bolts. They do a little quarterback switch. Old quarterback going to YR. He just runs straight. Great play, but nothing good out of it. And it seems like we have an injury on Dan, who's
Can I
been
use your bottle?
balling out right now. Hope he gets better so we can continue his streak of touchdowns. And quarterback drops back, looking for his receiver, unloads, and cannot get there, overthrown. 3rd and goal for the Bolts. It's a deep play, and it doesn't go anywhere. The field goal for the Bolts, will they make it for 20-59? And he does not, misses it slightly to the right, 17-59. And they kick it off. First and 15. And Jason, the wide receiver, trips on his own. Nothing. But then he catches the next play, making it 3rd and 10 for the Knights. Jason looking for Devin, going deep. And it's caught. Great catch. Great throw. 65-17. And a not so good kick for the Knights, making it 65-17. What a show we are getting by the Knights, making a Stapleman. Seems like he's gone. Is he gone? He is. 23-65. Bolts score. They've been very quiet, not making many plays, and they got the 2-point as well, 25-65. Only down by 40 once again, which is still a lot, but anything can happen. And ball rolls into the end zone. 1st and 15 for the Knights. Jason unloads again, going deep for Dan. Dan cannot get to it. 2nd and 15.
Ready.
Dan staying in. Dan does a great stop. I don't think he gets anything out of it. A little bit of distance. Drops it. Had it right in his hands, but just could not hold to it. And redeems himself, making it 4th and 15.
Ready.
Let's see what he does. Just runs a streak. Good fake. Gets the first down. And more. So that makes it 1st and goal near the end zone. around the 10. Throws it, unloads, touchdown. Nice. 71-25. 2-point try, which doesn't go anywhere, but they don't need a 2-point in. Here's
Me
your
and Devin are
halftime.
going to kick 3 field goals. Whoever makes the most wins.
Yeah, that's halftime show. There we go.
I am not good. I can't, dude. One, two. There you go. Kick that. You already win. Hit it.
Welcome back to the kickoff at the Knights. And the Bolts gain control, almost a touchdown for the very first play. First and goal for the Bolts. He goes deep, nearly intercepted, making it second and goal. Second half, let's see if the Bolts can turn the tides, and doesn't go anywhere. Third goal, and a loud ambulance in the back. Wide receiver falls to the ground, tripping. Ambulance, I need to check on him. Field goal for the Bolts. And it's no good. Keeping it 25-71. And a fire truck also. And incomplete. And stop the game for a little bit just to hope everyone's alright. Second and 15. Jason looking, throws it. Great pass to Dan, but he is out of bounds. Third and 15. Bolts need to stop them here to try and score. Out of bounds. Nowhere. Fourth and 15. They sub Devin in. Jason scrambles because of the blitz and does get the first down. Nearly, almost stopped. Jason throws it deep, nowhere. Overthrown. Devin as quarterback. Try and pass it to Dan. Great play by the defense. Third and goal. Devin unloads. Good catch by Dan. Fourth and goal. Last play. And loses his DB. Caught for 77-25. Touchdown Knights. 2-point try. And Dan just cannot get to it. Kickoff to the Bolts. And he shoves his player to the ground, but gets good yardage out of it. So first and goal. Quarterback looking for his receiver. Decides to run it. And he gets to the 10. And it's incomplete. Third and goal. Both couldn't get to it. Changing it to fourth and goal. Quarterback looking for the... No. Great play by Devin. One-handed catch. First and 15 for the Knights.
Let's go, Jason.
Cheerleaders cheering. He looks deep. Jason. Receiver Dan wide open. Cheerleaders help him on that throw and catch, and little celebration from Dan. 83-25. It's just a blowout, and they cannot get to it. Bolts still have a little bit of life if they can score here, and if not, then I think the game might end here soon. 83-25. A short pass, good yardage for the first down. First and goal. Nearly intercepted by Jason. good catch by the receiver. 3rd and goal. Almost in the end zone. Score here and little breather and no. Intercepted by Jason. 1st and 20. Score here. I think the Knights have themselves a win. Dan just cannot close his hands in time. Not get it. That's okay, they have a massive lead. And tackler misses. It is 3rd inches and they get it by Dan. Extra little yardage for him. 1st and goal. Jason. Good catch. Great throw. Touchdown for the Knights. 2-point try. Make it 91. And it's no good. We want to stay here on this kickoff to go support the YouTuber King M. K1NG_M. Crown profile picture. Go support him. He's been helping out, donating, and getting some supplies. And incomplete there. Great stop by the defense from Dan. 2nd and 3. They could have ran there as the defense was distracted by the sideline. Not fast enough. Cannot get there. 3rd and 3. Great catch. Touchdown for the Bolts. 31-89. And they go for 2 to make it somewhat smaller gap. And gets blitz. Good catch, but does not make it into the end zone in time. And a kickoff to the Bolts. From the Bolts. And the gift from the Knights is a touchdown. And the other team calls a timeout, making it 95-31. They continue the 2-point, and Jason cannot get there. Stays 95-31. Highest scoring game so far in Sports Squad history. And it's a fumble. It seems like the Bolts recovered. And they continue. 1st and 2. Quarterback does not run for the first or yardage, and it becomes incomplete, making it 2nd and 2. And unloads, intercepted from Jason. 1st and 15 for the Knights. They just keep on getting the ball, and they're just very consistent with their plays. Not that one. Thought that was intercepted, but good play. 2nd and 15. It's unloaded to Dan, making it 3rd and 8. Jason looking nearly blitzed, and it's the first interception for the Bolts. And almost didn't catch it there. Was not ready for the Bolts. 2nd and 5. And Devin tries to rush, and another interception turnover to the Knights. And it seems like the receiver, Dan, falls, which gives Jason some time to run for 1st down. 1st and goal. Cannot get to it. Out of bounds. 2nd and goal. Searches for his player. Scrambles out. Trying to find something. Almost a great play right there, but nowhere. Jason looks for his receiver. Touchdown. Great toe tap. 101-31. Knights' first ever triple digit. Great interaction and great celebration to Dan. It was an amazing game. 2-point try. And Devin looks and he gets blitzed. Trying to run. Avoids the tackle. Could not find his receiver, Jason. And lobs it up. And caught. 2-point is good. 103-31. And the Bolts will return, turning on the Jets as he goes, getting the first down early, so first and goal.
Yeah, literally.
Set.
And play call, throws it, and another interception for the Knights. Defense making a statement here as they go to the Wolves next week. First and 10 for the Knights, then caught Jason another touchdown for the Knights, making it 109-31. 2-point try. Jason dropping back a little bit, looking for Devin, and it is incomplete. And kickoff returner slips and doesn't get too far, making it first and 11.
Set.
And QB run off the start. Guess they never marked it. Second and 8.
Jason, your arm does get tired though.
Huh?
Your arm gets tired.
No, it doesn't. Not so good.
We're gonna use one of their plays as a short mention because it's now a turnover, and I think I'll be able to announce anything since this game is just all one-sided. That was dropped. Second and 15.
Ready. Set. Hike.
This game's a blowout. I will just start. Next week, Knights head to the Wolfpack to go 2-1. Touchdown for the Knights, 115-31. And problem with the Knights going against a not so prepared team is they won't be used to it. It will be a 3-on-3 since the players there are 3 per each team. 2 cannot make it for the Knights and 1 cannot make it for the Bolts. And Wolfpack losing to the Strikers early, another interception
I can't throw that.
for the Knights. Devin and Dan are in. Devin as quarterback. First and 15. Devin runs it. And quite open field, gets the first down. First and goal for the Knights. Devin looking. Fires. Overthrown. Second and goal. Second and goal for the Knights. First and 15. First and 15 on that one. 115-31. Sorry about that. Third and goal. Both seem to be stopping them for a little bit and gets tackled down. Fourth and goal, getting really dark here. And it's a touchdown for the Knights. 121-31.
Go for 2.
They go for the 2.
Hike.
And Jason finds his receiver but cannot get to it. And that will apparently end the game, making the rest free plays for the Bolts since they cannot win within the drive. So it's just all a free play.
Oh my god.
And another slip for the receiver. Can he score on his slip? No, he cannot. Cannot get there in time.
Alright, what's
Like no difference, but
Last play of the game, giving the Knights a 1-1 record. The Bolts will go 0-2. Every team makes the playoff, so favorite team still has a chance to win it all.
Alright, we're good.
And try to do a field goal from back there. They don't get it.
all right. How did you think the game went for you?
I think it went swell. 2 picks, 11 touchdowns, 15 I think total catches. I can't remember. I just know that I'm not 100%. As you can see, I hurt my knee badly. I'm very sick. I'm not 100%, but I gotta give all the glory to God. He helped me throughout this game. He kept me safe. He just kept me safe from getting injured or even more sick. I gotta thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for that. But yeah, I think the game went really, really well.
would you use this a game as motivation for your next games?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep thinking about this game. Maybe make some adjustments because I did drop a couple picks and passes, but overall I think I did a really good job. I need to work on stuff in the lab, but I think I'm gonna use this game as motivation to show that I can always do better. And I'm gonna do as great as I can to get better and better each day.
All right, thank you. How do you think the game did?
I think it went great. You know, I threw like 30 touchdowns. I think I'm the best of all time, the best QB definitely in the league, no cap. I mean, 30 touchdowns, 1 pick. I had to take. Imagine that.
All right, thank you.
Yep, that was a great interview.